Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. I'm going to help you learn how to log into your Hulu account. In order to learn how to keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, press the bell icon, so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, let's begin to start by clicking open a web browser, and once you do that, go to the URL box and type in www.hulu.com and search. Soon after you do that, you'll end up on this page right here. If you don't have an account yet, you can start by clicking on Start Your Free Trial and register yourself first. Once you have an account, you can easily click on this Login button at the upper right corner and sign into your account. In order to sign in, you'll need to enter your email. Make sure to enter the email that you used during the sign-up process while creating the account, and once you do that, move on to the next field that says password, and type in your password for your account again. Make sure to type in the password that you created during the sign-up process, and make sure your password is correct as well. If you don't remember your email or your password, then you can go ahead and click on Forgot Your Email or Password link right below the password box. Follow the instructions and look for your email or reset your password to a new one. After you're done entering both of the credentials, click on I'm Not a Robot, and complete the task that has been asked to you, and click on Verify. After you do that, you can go ahead and click on the Login button, and soon after you click on the button, you'll be logged into your Hulu account in no time. That was pretty quick and easy. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.